Okay, today we're going to install a Apple Mac printer driver. So first thing to do is to hop onto the Toshiba website. And when you get onto there, click on drivers on the top right there. And here you want to just put in the model number of your product. So we'll choose the 400, which is our new Matterhorn. Now you want to search for your machine, and then you want to go to operating system and choose Mac OS X. And that'll give you one file to download for these models, which is the 7111 driver. Now once that is completed, you can click on the downloads folder and go to color. Now here you've got a choice of normal or double-sided. We generally will just choose normal. We can choose double-sided if that is a requirement, but it can be changed within the driver anyway. Now once you've got the drivers unpacked, that'll bring up the installer. Now if you double click on that and basically just follow the prompts, so you want to continue here and again and agree and continue. Now this will want a password because you are installing software, so you pop your password in there and install. Now once that's finished running, that will put that into your driver library. Now you can keep this or delete it depending on how many Macs you have to install it on. Now we want to go to System Preferences, Printers and Scanners, and click on the plus. Now this will pick up your printer using all protocols, but you want to click on IP in the middle and put in the printer's IP address. Now you need to choose LPD as a protocol and give it a queue name of print, which is the default queue name built into the machine. Now name here, you can call it whatever you like. I've just chosen the model of the printer. And you want to click on Use and select Software. Now here, if you just type in Tosh, and the later driver we're looking for will have the X7 on the end there. So answer OK, and then just click on Add. Now here you just want to choose any options that it might have or the family that it belongs to. And that is your driver installed.